Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Seiko, and today we are going to be talking the best Finviz screener settings for the most profitable stocks that you can find out there, which you can absolutely kind of trade, switch, like swing trade, whatever you want. So let's get straight into it. First of all, like this video will be not that long at all. I'll be also explaining everything on this video, so let's get straight into it. Go on Finviz.com and then go ahead and click on the screener. You can like just simply go on finviz.com/screener.ashx. So like with that said, now the first thing that we are going to be feeling will be the price. We are going to be looking for stocks that are under 20 bucks, under 30 bucks, excuse me. So let's just go with the under 30 bucks right here. Bam, just like that. Next thing will be the options and short. Okay, so we want the stocks that are going to be optionable. So like we're going to be playing with the options side of things. So this is going to be a screener for the option trades for the people who are trading options. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of click that on the title title too. After that, well, I'm going to be talking about the pattern. Like we are going to be looking for wedges, okay, and we're going to be looking for wedge up pattern. We want the wedge up, okay, up, and like it could be like strong. We're only going to be looking for stocks that are optionable. So the number has been cut down like to 25. So there are 25 stocks that are in a wedge. You can go ahead, screenshot this, and like let's just talk about it. So this is a screener. You can go ahead and gonna try it for yourself. But in this case, like we're looking for a wedge, like you can go more in depth about the details. You can go like overall for the average volume. You want average volume over like 300K. In this case, we're gonna find only like 312 stocks. So this is the pattern. Go ahead, screenshot this. Only like has 5 filters. And you can go ahead kind of choose from the stocks onward. So today we're Sunday, so this is just kind of the Friday list. Well, you can go ahead kind of try it for yourself. So let me know what are the thoughts about this screener. Peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day. Bye.